wars, floods, international forums, international issues, China never took a second or had a second thought to stand by Pakistan, came to Pakistan to invest in Pakistan for the well-being of the people of Pakistan, whether it's the people of Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab or KP, or Azad Kashmir or Gilgit-Baltistan, through their hard-earned money, and not in millions, but billions and billions of dollars. And yet, we were not able to protect those lives from the perpetrators. Ladies and gentlemen, particularly my Chinese brothers and sisters sitting here, I must tell you that that was one of the most saddest days of my life. Ever since, we have taken various measures to put in place a foolproof protection system, a foolproof security system to protect the lives of every Chinese brother and sister working all over Pakistan. I will spare no effort to protect the lives of our Chinese brothers and sisters in Pakistan, and I want to assure you and guarantee you that we will provide them security more than our own children and our own self. And this is my pledge and commitment to you that forever, never again, this will happen again. But this story will not, this sordid episode will not end or finish, because those who have left this world, their kith and kin, will be in tears forever. And have you heard of a society where benefactors come and show their truest sympathy, empathy and support, and yet they are killed? This is something we cannot forgive ourselves. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to offer my sincere condolences on behalf of the people of Pakistan, myself and government of Pakistan, and share our grief with the bereaved families. And I would also like to, it will be unfair to myself and to all of those families if I did not offer sincere apologies to them and to the people of business and our friendly relations. I am not going to go into a rigmarole of figures which have been ably explained by our finance minister and then, of course, our deputy prime minister and foreign minister, who has always mentioned about what was Pakistan in 2018 and how we would move forward in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, past is past, and if we live in past, we will gain nothing. But if we learn our experience from past, we will gain a lot. And that's what we are here today to achieve through our mutual consultation and B2B discussions. Look at this miraculous transformation of Shenzhen. A few decades ago, it was a small fishing farmer's village. And today, Shenzhen, having a population of only 13 million people, its GDP is hovering around $500 billion.